Welcome to GearHead Insight, where power, prestige, and perfection unite on four wheels. Today, we're stepping inside the future of comfort and class, the Number 1. 2027 GMC Savannah Platinum Elite, a luxury van that redefines what it means to travel in style. From the moment you see it, the Platinum Elite demands attention. The bold front grille, illuminated GMC emblem, and adaptive matrix LED headlights create a commanding presence, while the sculpted body lines and chrome accents tell you this isn't just a van, it's a statement. The exterior design blends sophistication with strength, setting a new benchmark for modern luxury vehicles. Step inside, and you'll understand why it's called the Platinum Elite. The cabin greets you with handcrafted Napa leather seats, fine walnut wood trims, and soft touch suede finishing. The ambient lighting automatically adjusts to your mood, warm and cozy for long drives, bright and elegant for city cruising. Each seat is equipped with massage, heating, cooling, and full recline functions. The sound insulation is so advanced that even at highway speed, the cabin remains whisper quiet, giving you that private jet feel on the ground. At the heart of the interior lies the 18-inch AI Smart Touch infotainment system. It supports 8K resolution, 5G connectivity, and a full voice assistant that controls everything, from temperature and media to seat positions and blinds. A 360-degree Bose Atmos surround sound system ensures every song or movie feels alive, wrapping you in immersive audio perfection. Powering the 2027 Savannah Platinum Elite is GMC's latest 6.6-liter twin-turbo EcoMax V8 engine, delivering 470 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The new hybrid assist system adds instant torque and improved fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient performance luxury vans ever built. The ride quality is nothing short of magic, thanks to the adaptive air suspension with road sensing technology. Whether you're gliding through the city or conquering mountain roads, the van maintains perfect balance and comfort. In the rear cabin, you'll find a complete entertainment lounge, reclining theater seats, a retractable 70-inch OLED screen, and a minibar with automatic chilling. The van's built-in solar panels and lithium-ion battery system allow full off-grid living for up to 3 days without recharge, perfect for long journeys. Safety is top-tier with GMC's Vision Guard suite, radar cruise control, blind zone cameras, night vision assist, and emergency lane correction. Everything is designed to make driving effortless and safe. The Platinum Elite isn't just luxury, it's freedom engineered for those who want to own the road, not just travel it. GMC's focus on detail, from the stitching to the silence, makes it one of the most refined driving experiences in the world. For those who live beyond limits and seek comfort that matches their ambition, the 2027 GMC Savannah Platinum Elite is not just transportation, it's transformation. Number 2. 2027 GMC Savannah Executive Lounge Edition. This isn't just a van, it's a private business jet for the road. The first glance alone tells you this machine means business. The new generation Savannah design is sharper, more aerodynamic, and finished in deep metallic tones that gleam under every light. The front fascia features a diamond-cut chrome grille, adaptive IntelliBeam headlights, and sleek DRL signatures that give it a commanding, futuristic look. Every line and contour on the exterior has a purpose, reducing drag while maximizing visual impact. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels complete the look, giving this van an executive stance that demands respect wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure opulence. The cabin has been transformed into a rolling masterpiece of craftsmanship. GMC partnered with world-class designers to handcraft every inch, from the quilted Italian leather upholstery to the carbon fiber inserts and ambient lighting that follows the rhythm of your journey. The moment you sit down, you're wrapped in luxury. Each of the 4 captain's chairs offers 16-way adjustment, memory settings, massage, and ventilation. The seats recline fully, turning the cabin into a personal suite. A fold-out marble finish table and an integrated wireless charging dock make this van ideal for work or leisure. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 21-inch curved OLED infotainment display, paired with a voice-activated smart assistant. Whether you want to adjust lighting, open the panoramic roof, or check your schedule, everything responds instantly. The van's dual-zone air purification system keeps the cabin air fresh and allergen-free, ideal for long journeys. Under the hood, the Executive Lounge Edition is powered by a 5.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid engine delivering 420 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Combined with an 8-speed intelligent transmission, the drive feels smooth, quiet, and powerful. The hybrid system provides an electric-only range of 40 miles, perfect for city commutes, and improves efficiency by 25% over the previous generation. But what truly defines the Executive Lounge Edition is its technology. The van is equipped with GMC's Smart Vision 360 inches, a full suite of autonomous features including adaptive cruise, lane centering, and hands-free driving assist. It's as intelligent as it is elegant. In the rear, you'll find what feels like a private cinema. A retractable 65-inch 8K display, paired with a 30-speaker Harman Kardon surround system, creates an immersive entertainment space. The smart glass windows can tint instantly for privacy, and built-in Wi-Fi 7 connectivity ensures you're always online, even in remote areas. For those who travel often, the van's climate-controlled mini fridge, espresso machine, and voice-controlled blinds make every drive feel like a first-class experience. GMC has also included a biometric start system. Your fingerprint or face unlocks the van and customizes all your personal settings. The attention to detail is extraordinary. From the hand-stitched steering wheel to the illuminated door sills and soft ambient lighting that shifts hues at night, everything is designed to indulge your senses. The 2027 GMC Savannah Executive Lounge Edition is for those who value productivity, privacy, and prestige. Whether you're closing a deal on the go or escaping the noise of the city, this van gives you the freedom to do both, effortlessly. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about making every mile feel meaningful. That's what true luxury is. Number 3. 2027 GMC Savannah Presidential Edition, a masterpiece that blends elite craftsmanship with next-generation technology. From the moment you see it, you know this is no ordinary van. The Presidential Edition has been sculpted to perfection, with a bold aerodynamic profile, mirror-polished chrome accents, and adaptive matrix headlights that shine like jewels in motion. The deep obsidian black metallic paint gives it a presidential aura, while the 23-inch chrome turbine wheels announce its dominance on any road. But it's not just about looks. This van carries an air of authority, quiet, confident, and unshakably refined. Step inside, and you enter a world built for leaders. The interior feels like a 5-star private suite on wheels. GMC engineers spared no expense. The seats are handcrafted from full-grain Napa leather with diamond stitching and gold-threaded piping. Each seat reclines, massages, and adjusts to your every comfort need. The soft ambient lighting, customizable through 32 color modes, sets the perfect mood for work or relaxation. The cabin's centerpiece is a full-length smart console made from black walnut wood, polished to a mirror finish. It houses wireless chargers, a touch-controlled mini refrigerator, and even a retractable glass holder that glows when active. The panoramic sunroof stretches across the entire ceiling, allowing natural light to flood the space or close instantly with electrochromic tint control. At the front, the 2027 Savannah Presidential Edition features an AI-enhanced cockpit. The digital dashboard uses dual 15-inch OLED displays that wrap around the driver's view, showing navigation, performance, and comfort data. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with voice command, gesture control, and even recognizes your hand movements to adjust volume or temperature. Under the hood, the power matches its royal presence. A 5.6-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine pushes out 460 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque, giving this massive machine an unexpected agility. The hybrid setup ensures smooth electric operation for city drives and instant torque when you need power. Driving feels effortless, thanks to the adaptive air suspension that adjusts automatically to road conditions. Whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising the highway, the ride remains whisper quiet, almost surreal. In the rear cabin, the Presidential Edition becomes a world of its own. A 70-inch ultra-wide 8K display folds down from the ceiling, paired with a 32-speaker Bose immersion audio system. The sound feels like a personal concert hall. For work, the van includes an integrated workstation with fold-out tables, built-in Wi-Fi 7, and satellite connectivity, so you're always connected, even in the middle of nowhere. One of the standout features is the Privacy Suite mode. With a single voice command, the windows tint black, the cabin soundproofs, and a soft classical tune begins playing. It's an oasis of calm that shields you from the chaos outside. Every inch of this van speaks of attention to detail, from the soft touch suede headliner to the backlit GMC emblem on the floor that greets you as you step in. The craftsmanship, precision, and innovation blend seamlessly to create an experience unlike any other. This is not just a van. It's a statement, a symbol of success, a mobile command center, and a sanctuary of luxury for those who refuse to compromise. The 2027 GMC Savannah Presidential Edition isn't made for everyone. It's designed for those who demand everything: power, peace, and perfection, in one breathtaking package. Thanks for watching. Take care, and subscribe to GearHead Insight for more powerful stories about machines that define the future of luxury and performance.